Hello everyone, this is Priya Mekwan and I'm going to share a video based on a very famous poem called Stay Calm by Greenwell Klesser. Through this poem, you will be able to understand what the author wants us to know, what the author wants us to understand about being stay calm. So let's read about the author first. Greenwell Klesser was a North American author. He was the author of a long list of inspirational books and guides. And yes, of course, he has written good books, good quotes written by him. Of course, you can browse for him. Klesser also worked as an instructor in public speaking at Yale Divinity School. He was also an instructor to make people understand the essence of life, how to live a life peacefully. So that is why he has written this poem, Staying Calm. So let's move ahead towards the poem. I have divided the poem into three parts for you to understand better. Let's read this. Stay Calm by Greenwell Klesser. When you feel like saying something that you know you will regret, or keenly feel an insult not quite easy to forget, that's the time to curb resentment and maintain a mental peace. For when your mind is tranquil, all your ill thoughts simply cease. It is easy to be angry when defrauded or defied, to be peeved and disappointed if your wishes are denied, but to win a worthwhile battle over selfishness and spite, you must learn to keep strict silence, though you know you're in the right. So keep your mental balance, be it enemy in ambush, if you're poised and tranquil when confronted by a foe or some danger that you know. When all around is strife, be assured that you have mastered the most vital thing in life. So, the title itself has already taught us that in this poem, you have to keep your compose, you have to stay calm no matter what, no matter what situation you are in, but you have to have that composure of mind. In the first stanza, इस फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में पोएट हमें बताता है कि जब आप गुस्से में होते हो, आप जब आपके अंदर वो रेज आता है, आप कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हो, आप कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस में अपने आप को लेकर आते हो दैट आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू टेंड टू रिग्रेट, you feel an insult which is not an easy task to forget. Of course, we have experienced this in our daily life. जब हम गुस्सा होते हैं हमारे फ्रेंड्स से, हमारे फैमिली से, सिचुएशन पे हम कुछ ऐसे टैंट्रम्स थ्रो करते हैं, हम गुस्से में कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस को करते हैं कि जिससे सामने वाले को हर्ट ज़रूर होता है. हम उस समय अब ये रियलाइज़ नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि वाई बिकॉज वी आर इन एंगर, बट लेटर ऑन वी आर नॉट एट ईज, हम उसे भूल नहीं पाते. बट देन दैट इज़ द टाइम टू कर्ब योर रिजेंटमेंट एंड मेंटेन अ मेंटल पीस. जब आपको गुस्सा आ रहा हो, जब आपको इरिटेशन फील हो रही हो, चिड़चिड़ हो रहा हो, प्लीज़ try to compose yourself. There are many ways that you can compose yourself. When your mind is tranquil, all your ill thoughts simply cease. Cease means it is gone. जब अपने आप को कंपोज करते हो, जब अपने आप को शांत करने की कोशिश करते हो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके अंदर का जो गुस्सा है, आपके अंदर का जो रौत है, इट इज़ गोइंग अवे. सेकेंड स्टैंजा, इट इज़ ईजी टू बी एंग्री. ऑफकोर्स गुस्सा बड़े जल्दी आता है. हम कहते हैं ना, नाक पर गुस्सा बैठा हुआ है. गुस्सा हमें जो नेगेटिव चीज़ें हैं वो बहुत जल्दी आती है, पॉजिटिव चीज़ें इंसान जल्दी से ले नहीं सकता. इट इज़ ईजी टू बी एंग्री व्हेन डिफ्रॉडेड और डिफाइड, टू बी पीव्ड एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड इफ़ योर विशेस आर डिनाइड. फ्रॉम सो मैनी ईयर्स, लंबे समय से आप अपने आप को एक ऐसे स्टेज पे लाना चाह रहे हो, आप उसके पीछे हार्डवर्क कर रहे हो, बहुत सारी मेहनत है, आपकी विशेज़ है, डिज़ायर्स है टू अचीव सो मैनी थिंग्स इन लाइफ, बट वो आपको डिनाइल देते हैं. Your battle is not yet won. When a human being is living on this earth, उसका जो battle है life से, positive, being negative, इस battle में human being को कभी भी satisfaction नहीं मिलता. And of course, a human is not at all satisfied in any situation. तब क्या होता है, हमें जब हमारी चीज़ें हमारी फुलफिल नहीं होती है, जब हम अपने आप को उस पोजीशन पे नहीं लेकर जा पाते, हमें गुस्सा आने लगता है. हमारे अंदर का जो रेज है, जो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स है, वो हमें होवर करने लगती है, हमारे दिमाग में पूरे समय घूमने लगता है. एंड दैट इज़ द टाइम वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सेप्ट दैट डिनाइल. बट देन व्हाट द पोएट सेज, यू मस्ट लर्न टू कीप स्ट्रिक्ट साइलेंस. स्ट्रिक्ट साइलेंस, अगर आप यहाँ पे इसको आप हाईलाइट करके देखोगे इस लाइन में, you must learn to keep strict silence. That means you have to have the control over the situation. Don't let the situation take control over you. Then when you take the control, you know that you're in the right track. The third stanza, so keep your mental balance, be it enemy in ambush, if you are poised and tranquil when confronted by a foe. चाहे वो आपका कोई भी एनिमी हो, एनिमी रिगार्डिंग इन द सिचुएशन, एनिमी रिगार्डिंग इन द पर्सन, अगर वो आपके अगेंस्ट में है, अगर वो आपके विपरीत सारी चीज़ें हो रही है या बोल रहा है कोई, प्लीज़ अपने आप को उस समय शांत किया करो. मेडिटेट करो, खुद के अंदर एक ऐसी काउंटिंग करो जो आपको एक शांति की ओर पे लेके जाए. When all around is strife, be assured that you have mastered the most vital thing in life. What the last line says, you have to have that mastery. अपने आप को ऐसे situations में कंट्रोल करना सीखो कि आपको एक इंसान के रूप में एक मास्टर बोला जाए, जो कि taking control of the most vital thing in life, that is the anger. If you see in this slide, you can see many emojis, you can see certain pictures. Two people are fighting, someone is grumbling on the phone, someone is holding money, and above all एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर है ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट का, जो एक एनिमल है. If you try to understand these sins, the 7 deadly sins of a person, of a human being, it says pride, envy, wrath, sloth, avarice, gluttony, lust. जब हमें प्राइड आता है, हम किसी से ईर्ष्या करते हैं. एनवी, रॉथ मीन्स गुस्सा, स्लॉथ मीन्स बीइंग लेजी. लेजीनेस भी एक नेगेटिव थिंग है हमारे अंदर. हमेशा लेजी रहना, लेजीनेस क्या लाता है? चिड़चिड़ाहट लाता है, इरिटेशन लाता है. अवेरिस, इट इज़ द ग्रीड. हमेशा वो वेल्थ को, एक फेम को, एक हमेशा लाइमलाइट में रहने का एक ग्रीड आता है. ग्लूटनी, ग्लूटनी मीन्स बकासुर, हैविंग द ग्रीड टू ईट एक्सेस रहता है इंसान में. ये टेंडेंसी भी होती है. खाना नहीं मिलता है तो they tend to become kind of an animal. Then lust. Lust is all about talking about a sexual desire. जो main aspect out of all these 7, the 7th number जो lust है, that is the major part, the major aspect of the sin. क्योंकि आप न्यूज़ में पढ़ते हो, you see in the newspaper, you read in the newspaper, all these negative things make a man an animal. इसलिए मैंने ये पिक्चर आपको यहाँ पे डिपिक्ट कर रहा है कि एंगर एक ऐसा इमोशन है जो पर्सन को, इंसान को हमेशा एक एनिमल बनने पर मजबूर करता है. बट देन व्हाट हैपेंस लेटर ऑन? यू हैव डन ऑल बैड थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट you are doing all these things, but it has this tendency, humans have this tendency to get angry very soon rather than imbibing the positive aspects. You say bad things, your action speaks louder than words. So then then later on you think that what have done. You keep thinking, why? What happened? You feel like crying. You're upset. You do not want to talk to anybody. So many things hover your mind, right? You are always in that zone, that why have I done so many things? मैंने क्यों किसी से ऐसी बात कही? क्योंकि जब हम एक्शन से जब हम बात करते हैं, माइंडेड एक्शंस आर लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. हमारे कर्तव्य से, हमारे व्यवहार से, when you speak with your actions, it is more hurting than your words. Sometimes what happens when you speak something, okay, fine, it is forgotten, but the action is always remembered. The action is always there in the mind. So many quotes you all have read. हम लोग DP status में डालते हैं, बड़े बड़े quotes डालते हैं. But do we realize that how much we are into it? Very famous quotes I have made on this. Nothing can bring you peace but yourself, written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. And one more, calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence. So that's very important for good health, written by the Dalai Lama. Of course, Nothing can bring you peace but yourself. हमारे ही हाथ में होता है कि हम पॉजिटिव रहे या नेगेटिव रहे, टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक. Calm mind brings inner strength and self confidence. So that's very important for good health. Of course, आप गुस्सा रहोगे, हमेशा चिड़चिड़ाहट में रहोगे, if you're going always irritated, you are not staying in good health. दुनिया भर की बीमारी आपको हो जाएगी, होता है ना. You read so many things, but try to imbibe all those things. You need to empty your mind. Empty your mind with negativities, empty your mind with foul thinking, empty your mind with all the aspects of the deadly sins, 7 deadly sins. Human के अंदर में जो emotions होते हैं, they are always on turmoil. They're always going up and down, up and down. But you have to take control over those things. There are so many things around. You can meditate, you can stay silent. And I guess the best thing is to listen to good music, calm and composing music. Listen to it, and you will feel when you want. Actually, the thing starts from you, from your mind. आप जो सोचते हो, आप जैसा करना चाहते हो, अगर आपके अंदर से ही, आपके माइंड से, आपके हार्ट से अगर वो चीज़ें नहीं निकलती है, तो आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, नो मैटर हाउ मच यू ट्राई हार्ड, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू evade that anger. You are always into that negativity. So I guess the poem has taught you a lot. Lastly, if we see this summary, it says during those situations means the negative situation or the impacting situations, that you need to take control of your emotions and try to calm down. It is important to keep your cool, because only then will all negative thoughts stop coming to you. One thing to keep in mind is the fact that it is not worth getting upset. Of course, जल्दी से चिढ़ना नहीं, हमें जल्दी से हमें upset नहीं होना. आप upset हुए, automatically the next second आप गुस्सा होना शुरू हो जाते हो. You need to fight against anger and selfishness, and that is only possible if you can manage to keep quiet, even though you know that you are not wrong. Sometimes it happens, you are not wrong. आपका fault नहीं होता है उसमें, but still you are being bothered about it. But you have to have that composure of mind. Try to stay down calm, and later on try to explain that you are not wrong. So you need to keep calm in the most difficult situation, like when you are standing face to face with an adversary or competitor. कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, अगर हम भले हम फेस टू फेस हम किसी इंसान के सामने खड़े हैं, हमारा वो कंपिटिटर, एज इन योर कंपिटिटर, or when you are facing a challenging situation, you have to keep that peace of mind. If you are able to remain composed, you can be sure of one thing, and that is you have gained an insight into the most important thing is in life, which is be level-headed. Of course, if you are not level-headed, then you are not able to balance yourself. If you are able to balance yourself, that means you have mastered it, you have taken control of the situation. Remember once again, don't let the situation take control of you, but it is you who can bring peace to your mind, who can bring good health to yourself, to oneself. And that is, you have to take control, you have to take charge of the situation. So I suppose that you have understood this poem very well. Go through the poem once again, read it twice, thrice, and remember one thing, have the habit of reading good things. आप जितना अच्छी चीज़ों को पढ़ोगे, समझोगे, आपका mind development उतना अच्छा better way से होगा. So yes, we come to the end of this video now. Thank you once again for listening to me patiently. Thank you. Keep calm and feel better.